Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by confirming account ownership and opening Classroom. Google.com. Log into the Google account that created or manages the class. This lets you access the archive and delete controls. Once logged in, navigate to the class tile you intend to remove. Make sure it's the correct class by checking title, section, and roster. If you do not see the class, switch accounts or use the account menu to sign in with the right email. Then return to the class list to continue. Archive is a required intermediate step because Google Classroom prevents direct deletion while active. Click the class to open it, then use the three-dot More menu on the class card to choose Archive. Archiving preserves classwork and posts, but removes the class from students' active view. Once done, open the main classes page, pick Menu Archived Classes to find it. Make sure you really want to archive first, because only archived classes can be permanently deleted. Proceed to deletion after verifying the archive appeared in that list. Now remove the archived class permanently. Go to Archived Classes, locate the correct class, and open its three-dot menu. Select Delete and confirm the permanent removal. Deletion removes all class materials and cannot be undone, which is why archiving first is safer. If you don't see Delete, make sure you are signed in as the class owner because co-teachers can't delete. Troubleshooting tip: if Delete is missing or grayed out, switch to the owner's account or contact your G Suite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.